Welcome, dear friend, to the temple of Ayurveda, where we learn ancient Vedic secret of healing the body, mind and consciousness.
In Ayurveda, we say everything is medicine, everything is poison. Depends on who the person is, the time of life they're having it, the amount they're having it.
Really, this knowledge is a very hidden, very secret, and it is almost gone. But fortunately, it is coming back again.
Your mental components, your spiritual components, your digestion, how are you breathing, all of these particular things all add up to your well-being.
This is Mother Nature's divine gift to the whole mankind.
There's so many traditionalists out there. I'm talking about Ayurveda in everyday life, okay? That means, we're busy. We've got stuff to do. You've got work, you've got kids, you've got a family to support.
We will start at the very bare foundation of what is Ayurveda and how it can impact yourself and your highest vibration.
Ayurveda is very easy. Ayurveda is very simple. Ayurveda is very practical. And Ayurveda is very poetic.
We should be healing each other all the time.
Meditation is not something you do in your little corner of the house. Meditation should go with you, should flow with you. Doesn't matter what you do, add awareness.